1. Who wrote the Ramayana? Sage Valmiki. 2. Valmiki's childhood name? Ratnakara. 3. Who transformed Ratnakara into Valmiki? Narda. 4. How many Kandas are in Ramayana? 7. 5. What is the meaning of Ramayana? The story of Rama. 6. Rama is avatar of which god? Lord Vishnu. 7. Who was Rama's guru? Vashishta. 8. What is the name of Rama's father? King Dashrath. 9. Who was the mother of Rama? Kausalya. 10. Which yajna did Dashrath perform for sons? Putrakameshti. 11. How many sons did Dashrath have? 4. 12. On which day was Rama born? Navmi. 13. In which month was Rama born? Chaitra Masa. 14. In which Paksh was Rama born? Shukla Paksh. 15. Who is Lakshman's mother? Sumitra. 16. Who was the mother of Bharat? Kaikeyi. 17. Lakshman is incarnation of whom? Sheshnag. 18. Which sage took Rama and Lakshman to protect his yajna? Sage Vishwamitra. 19. Which demon did Rama kill in Vishwamitra's ashram? Tatka. 20. Why did Vishwamitra ask Dashrath for Rama? To kill demons disturbing yajna. 21. Meaning of Sanatan Dharma? Eternal or ancient religion. 21. Ayodhya is on the bank of which river? Saryu. 22. Who asked Rama to go to the forest? Kaikeyi. 23. Why did Rama go to the forest? Kaikeyi's boon. 24. For how many years did Rama go to the forest? 14 years. 25. Who went with Rama to the forest? Sita and Lakshman. 26. Who carried Rama's sandals? Bharat. 27. How many brothers did Rama have? 3. 28. Name Rama's brothers. Lakshman, Bharat, Shatrudhna. 29. Why didn't Rama return to Ayodhya when Bharat requested? To keep his father's promise. 30. Who visited Rama at Chitrakoot to request return? Bharat. 33. What was the name of the forest where Rama stayed for a long time? Dandakaranya. 34. Where is Panchvati located? Maharashtra. 35. Who built the hut in Chitrakoot? Lakshman. 36. Who is Ravana's sister? Shurpankha. 37. Who cut Shurpankha's nose? Lakshman. 38. What was Maricha's form? Golden deer. 39. Who became the golden deer? Maricha. 40. Why did Sita ask Rama to catch the golden deer? She liked it. 41. Before going after the deer, whom did Rama ask to protect Sita? Lakshman. 42. What did Lakshman draw around the hut? Lakshman Rekha. 43. Why did Sita step out of the Lakshman Rekha? To give food to the sage. 44. In what form did Ravana come to kidnap Sita? Sadhu, sage. 45. Where did Rama meet Hanuman for the first time? Kishkindha. 46. Who ruled Kishkindha? Vali. 47. Who was Sugriva's brother? Vali. 48. Who killed Vali? Rama. 49. Who supported Rama from Lanka? Vibhishan. 50. Who brought news of Sita to Rama from Lanka? Hanuman. 51. Who kidnapped Sita? Ravana. 52. Which vulture fought Ravana? Jatayu. 53. Who informed Rama about Sita's kidnapping? Jatayu. 54. Which bird tried to save Sita? Jatayu. 55. What did Sita drop while being taken to Lanka as a clue? Her jewelry. 56. Who first saw Sita in Ashok Vatika? Hanuman. 57. Who took care of Sita in Ashok Vatika? Trijda. 58. What did Rama give Hanuman as proof for Sita? His ring. 59. Who was Hanuman's mother? Anjana. 60. What did Hanuman do to Lanka with his burning tail? Set Lanka on fire. 61. Why did Hanuman bring the whole mountain? He could not recognize the herb. 62. Which herb saved Lakshman? Sanjeevani. 62. Which kingdom did Ravana rule? Lanka. 63. How many heads did Ravana have? 10. 64. Who was Mandodari? Ravana's wife. 65. Who was Ravana's brother who supported Rama? Vibhishan. 66. Why did Vibhishan leave Ravana? Ravana refused to return Sita. 67. Who crowned Vibhishan king of Lanka? Rama. 68. What is the name of the bridge to Lanka? Rama Setu. 69. Who killed Ravana? Rama. 70. Who was Guru of Asuras? Shukracharya. 71. Ravana was a devotee of which god? Shiva. 72. Who was Lakshman's wife? Urmila. 73. In which vehicle did Rama return from Lanka? Pushpak Vimana. 74. What festival celebrates Rama's return to Ayodhya? Diwali. 75. What did people light to welcome Rama? Diyas. 76. Where was Rama crowned king? Ayodhya. 77. Name Rama, Sita's twin sons. Lava and Kusha. 78. Another name of Sita? Vaidehi. 79. Who influenced Kaikeyi? Manthra. 81. Janaka ruled which kingdom? Mithila. 82. Who was the father of Sita? King Janaka. 83. Sita was princess of which kingdom? Mithila. 84. How did King Janaka find baby Sita? While ploughing the field. 85. What was the condition to marry Sita? To lift and string Shiva's bow. 86. Who broke Shiva's bow at the Swayamvara? Rama. 87. On which day is Rama Navami celebrated? Navami of Chaitra month. 88. In which yuga did Ramayana take place? Treta Yuga. 89. How long did Kumbhakarna sleep? 6 months. 90. Who carried the Sanjeevani mountain? Hanuman. 91. Who was kind to Sita in Lanka? Trishta. 92. Who ruled Lanka after Ravana's death? Vibhishan. 93. Who was Ravana's sister? Shurpankha. 94. Who asked Rama to protect Yagya? Vishwamitra. 95. What did Shabri offer to Rama? Tasted fruits. 96. What is the meaning of Ramayana? Again, history of Rama. 97. Who was Kaikeyi's maid? Manthra. 98. Who was the king of Lanka? Ravana. 99. Who ruled Kishkinda after Vali? Sugriv. 100. Who was Rama's younger brother in forest? Lakshman. 101. Who brought news of Sita to Rama? Hanuman. 102. What is Ravana's kingdom name? Lanka. 103. Ravana was a devotee of which god? Shiva. 104. What was the name of the ocean crossed to reach Lanka? Indian Ocean, Samudra. 105. Times what did Rama do before attacking the ocean? Pray to the sea god. 106. Times who was the sea god in Ramayana? Varuna. 107. What was written on the stones that floated? Rama's name. 108. What is the ideal kingdom ruled by Rama called? Rama Rajya.